All right, look who I ran into.
Hey.
The American dream here. This guy is responsible for all the youth getting interested into the auto body industry. His name is Frank Antonucci. Frank, thank you for coming by.
Nice to meet you too, Frank. I heard so much about you.
Thank you so much.
That was flattering. Yes.
But I'm interested in also helping out the young community.
Oh, yeah.
Because
yeah.
we need them. Because the problem in the industry that we have right now is that there's nobody getting into it. The average age of a technician is what?
The average age now, they're in their 50s.
They're in their 50s. So we need some youth to get into it. So go ahead.
So
take it away.
I'm glad we hooked up here down in Autorama, and I'm looking at this outstanding car that was done by one of my students many years ago, painted, so on and so forth. But here's what's going on. We live in a different generation now today when we had people back in the day to get in the auto body industry, painting, you had to know somebody. And when I got into it, I had to know somebody. I never knew anybody, I had to just prove myself. And throughout the years, I became the teacher over at Career Prep Center.
Okay.
And from that part, I trained many kids. Well, in 1998, I went on to become a principal director. And now, with the age of the computer and the technology, the kids aren't interested in working on cars. Now, how are we going to get that interest back? We need to reach out to them, and we need to come down and lower our expectations to raise theirs. So what we need to do is we need to invest in our kids. We need to bring them on board and convince them, show them, literally show them, well, yes, you're making $10 an hour now. You're right.
Yeah.
But the long run, you're going to be invested in a year or two to be able to make that higher scale. Pizza parlor, and I don't knock pizza parlor, I eat pizza, come on, you know what I'm saying? You know, just a mundane job.
But okay, to relate to what you're saying, is my dad always told me, he's like, son, because I worked for my father, he had a collision shop, and he's like, you're getting paid to learn.
That's right.
Your buddies are going away to college and they're spending all this money and they're coming out of college in debt. By that time, you still, by working with me, you have no debt. You're getting paid to learn, you're learning a trade. And he goes, and the beautiful part about this trade, it's just like the medical industry. You can go anywhere in the world and get a job. Am I not right?
You're spot on. Ask your friends out there, whoever's watching this, I'm going to tell you, we'll look at you right in the camera. Ask your friends that have graduated from college and they have their 4-year degree in communications or whatever it may be. Why are you working at a job at a fast food right now? Why aren't you using your college degree? I mean that. You take a look at it. How many people have college degrees? How many people go up to major college, spend a lot of money,
Oh, yeah.
and they come back and they're doing nothing? And I don't, no disrespect out there to your parents or nobody. You gotta say, do what you want to do. My mother and father wanted me to be a tool and die man. I didn't want to be a tool and die man. I did not want to be a tool and die man. They took the apprenticeship test and I was so happy when they told me to flunk it. I didn't want to be a tool and die guy.
Okay.
You kids got to do what you want to do out there.
Yeah.
You got to make it happen. If your talent is in the computer, and you can do computer design with the cars, and you can do the hands-on skills, and when you learn, some of your best designers came from the automotive field, the auto body paint, and learned the hard way.
Yeah.
I hope one day I look and I see that we have over an abundance amount of people out there.
We need to revitalize the industry. There's a high demand for young people getting in this industry right now because the future depends on it. Right now, even in every other trade, skill trades out there, there's a high demand for people that work with their hands. There's nothing wrong with it. Like people, like when I interviewed the children that walked through on Friday, and they were asking me like, what is it like to get up in the morning and go to work? And I'm like, I don't get up in the morning and go to work. I go up and do my hobby. I go, it's an enjoyment. Like, I love doing what I do. My dad always told me, he's like, if you have the passion for doing something and you can do it and make money, he's like, you're going to be set for the rest of your life. And I do. You know what? I do. I love it. I love the guys that work with me. I love this show, showing everybody what we can do and trying to entertain, to get the new, young people interested in these cars. If it's not the classic cars, even the newer cars. But just, it's okay to work with your hands. It's okay.
It's okay to hang out at Harbor Freight, by the way. You may be watching this and you're sitting on the couch and thinking every day's a grind. You got to get satisfaction out of something that you're doing. Get in the auto body field, make it happen, be constructive, be productive, and let's go. Come on, get off that couch. You know what I'm talking about. I think it's you right over there. Is it that guy? Is it right here?
It could be him right there. Very well
Thanks,
said.
Frank.
Thank you so much.
Brother. Good seeing you.
Very good.
Be cool. Stay straight with those 88s.
Keep your nose down. Let's go.
Yeah.
It's Maze.
Give me a hammer.